Cariad by the Royston Club is played in standard tuning with a capo on the first fret. We're actually going to start off with the C over G chord. So it's essentially a C chord with the third fret also added on the low E string relative to capo. So we have the third finger, third fret of the low E, pinky finger, third fret of the A, second finger, second fret of the D string, and the first finger on the first fret of the B string. G and high E are open. This song's actually in 3/4 time, so we're going to be counting 1, 2, and 3 and the strum in there is down, 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 up. And we'll play that for 2 bars. Down, 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 down. Or 1, 2, and 3 and 1, 2, and 3 and. We'll then move fingers 3, 4, and 2 down a string set, and this gives us an F major 7 chord, third fret on the A, third fret on the D, second fret on the G, first fret on the B, and then the high E string open. Strumming is exactly the same again, 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and down, 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 up, down, up. To a standard A minor chord, second fret on the D, second fret on the G, first fret on the B string, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Same strumming again. And then we're going to go back to the F major 7 chord, but up 2 frets. So we have 5, 5, 4, and 3, again relative to capo. This is a G6 over D chord. High E string is open here again, and the strumming again is the same. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so C over G, down, 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 down. F major 7. A minor. And that's the main verse. For the bridge section, we're going to go to a D minor 7 chord. This is the first finger bar on the 5th fret relative to capo. And then we have the third finger on the 7th fret of the D and the second finger on the 6th fret of the B string. And we're going to strum exactly the same again, but this time for 4 bars. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. You might notice on the live version of the song that on the 3rd and 4th bars of the D minor chord here, we have the pinky finger to the 8th fret of the B string while we're strumming that. Okay, so it's 4 bars of D minor 7. Down, 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 down. To a standard E minor chord, 2nd fret on the A and D strings. Down, 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 down. Back to the A minor chord, just for 1 bar. Down, down, up, down, up. Straight back to that E minor chord. Down, down, down. Okay, so the first time through the bridge is D minor 7 for 4 bars. 1, 2, and 3 on 2nd bar, 3rd bar, 4th bar, E minor, 1, 2, and 3, and A minor, back to that E minor chord. Then we go through exactly the same way again, but the last bar is different. D minor 7 for 4 bars, E minor, A minor, then we have a single strum of that G6 over D chord. So the second time through the bridge we have that D minor 7 chord. 2 bars of E minor, 1 bar of A minor, and then a single hit of that G chord. For the chorus, we have the C over G chord for 4 bars, F major 7 for 4 bars, A minor for 2 bars, E minor for 2 bars, back to the F major 7. C over G for 4 bars, F major 7 for 4 bars, A minor for 2 bars, E minor for 2 bars, F major 7 for 4 bars. So we have C over G, F major 7, A minor, E minor, F major 7. There's also a little lead riff. It starts off on the 3rd fret on the high E, 3rd fret on the B, 5th fret on the B, 4 on the G, 5 on the G. 3, 3, 5, 4, 5. Same thing the second time. 3, 3, 5, 4, but we don't go to the 5th fret here. We just bend the 4th fret on the G up and release. So